Simon, if I moved right across the street from you, the first thing I would do is join every single gym in town. I would start with the most expensive, the biggest one, because look, the people that can go to the most expensive gym in the town have some sort of affluence. They can pay the membership fee to join. They can pay the monthly fee. It tends to be the movers and shakers. And I would just immerse myself in there. I would go early in the morning because the people that are there at 5 o'clock in the morning are people that are fitness people. They're taking some sort of class, whether it's CrossFit or whatever. They're trying to get in a workout before they go to their white collar job. Typically, if you go there in the morning, it's moms dropping off babies. They got daycare or whatever. If you're there at noon, these are people that are white collar people that have a quick lunch break. If you go there in the afternoon, these are people that have all been up late playing video games, probably not the best time to go. If you go there from like 3 o'clock on, these are the working man. And so if I moved right across the street from you, or if I was on another planet, however you want to say that, what I would do is just join the gyms. Why the gyms? Because people go there over and over and over again, and you can develop rapport with these people. Not just one gym. I would have a membership at all of them. You're trying to make people be your friends. Just be normal. Don't be weird. Play basketball. Take a yoga class if that's what you're into. Take a spin class. Go work out. Talk to people. Simon, every day of my life when I'm at the gym, which I'm going to be leaving to go to here in just a couple of minutes, I make it a point to go see somebody that looks sharp that I would like to be friends with. And if there comes a time in the future where I feel like I know that person well enough, well, then rock and roll. I'll tell them about what it is that I do. But again, I think that's the easiest way to build your network at the gym.